So I got 3 cheapy style surfboards or wakeboards or whatever. I'm sure the inside is styrofoam. I left them out in the rain, and hopefully you can hear this good on the camera, but it's like a snap, crackle, pop. I'm going to put the camera closer and maybe you can hear it. Now, it's not the rain simply, hitting the surfboard making the noise, or the umbrella noise. This is a snap, crackle, pop. It's almost like it's on a skillet on the oven or something, like it's frying. It seems to me more so this one. So when you turn it over, it goes away, almost goes away. Really weird. If you know what this is, comment.